Item number 2, communication from the chair.
Honourable members, I welcome you to this morning's sitting and do apologize for bringing you back. Yesterday we had adjourned the House to Tuesday. However, I was told that some activities were time-bound and that we needed to handle them before the end of the week. That's why I've invited you here, so that you can complete the work on the supplementary. Thank you.
Item number 3, the supplementary expenditure schedule number 3 and addendum to schedule 3 for the financial year 2019-2020, Committee of Supply.
Minister? Oh, we are still on the same motion? Yes, first one was Committee of Supply. The same? Okay. Okay.
Development expenditure. Vote 003, Office of the Prime Minister, 9 billion shillings. Vote 013, Ministry of Education and Sports, 600 billion. Sorry, 60 billion, 398 million, 920, 544. Vote 014, Ministry of Health, 13 billion, 40 million, 015, Ministry of Trade, Industry and Cooperatives, 100 billion. Vote 126, National Information Technology Authority, 44 billion, 669 million, 614, 225.
Honourable members, I propose the question. The total sum of Uganda shillings 116 billion 166 billion 709 million 614,225 for the respective votes be provided for supplementary development expenditure for the financial 2019-2020. And now put the question. The total sum of Uganda shillings 166 billion 709 million 614,225 for the respective votes be provided as supplementary expenditure, development expenditure, financial 2019-2020. Those in favor say aye, the contrary no. Ayes have it.
Recurrent expenditure, vote 001, Office of the President, 254 million 789,325. Vote 001, Office of the President, Commission of Inquiry, Land Matters, 92 million 376,754. Office 002, State House, 91 million 7. Vote 003, Office of the Prime Minister, 36 billion 482,607. Vote 004, Ministry of Defense and Veteran Affairs, 27 billion 103 million 599,568. Vote 005, Ministry of Public Service, 10 million 727,007. Vote 007, Ministry of Justice and Constitutional Affairs, 1 billion 722,261,809. Vote 008, Ministry of Finance, Planning and Economic Development, 505,510,387,002. Vote 010, Ministry of Agriculture, Animal Industry and Fisheries, 10,015,399,596. Vote 011, Ministry of Local Government, 48,306,688. Vote 013, Ministry of Education and Sports, 146,271,077. Vote 013, Ministry of Education and Sports, OMTABBIZI, 205,284,619. Ministry of Health, 82,476,024,843. Ministry of Trade, Industry and Cooperatives, 36,077,871,403. Vote 018, Ministry of Gender, Labour and Social Development, 39,018,190. Ministry of Water and Environment, 2,049,743,008. Vote 020, Ministry of Information, Communication Technology and National Guidance, 66,790,844. Ministry of Science, Technology and Innovation, 17,175,636,200. Vote 001, Courts of Judicature, 4,639,108,113. Vote 106, Uganda Human Rights Commission, 375,620,491. Vote 110, Uganda Industrial Research Institute, 476,718,834. Vote 113, Uganda National Roads Authority, 400,181,533. Vote 115, Uganda Heart Institute, 10,698,117. Vote 119, Uganda Registration Services Bureau, 10,704,079. Vote 122, Kampala Capital City Authority, 403,189,671. Vote 125, National Animal Generic Resources Center and Data Bank, 66,462,600. Vote 126, National Information Technology Authority, 27,341,426. Moni University, vote 127, 487,766. Vote 132, Education Service Commission, 2,524,871. Vote 134, Health Service Commission, 41,181,72. Vote 136, Makerere University, 36,476,790. Vote 137, Mbarara University of Science and Technology, 2,003,177. Vote 138, Makerere University Business School, 16,922,453. Vote 142, National Agricultural Research Organization, 13,417,439. Vote 114, Uganda Police Force, 69,349,740,864. Vote 145, Uganda Prison Service, 26,300,434,133. Vote 144, Local Government Finance Commission, 9,770,737. Vote 149, Gulu University, 57,881,721. Vote 151, Uganda Blood Transfusion Services, 42 million. Vote 152, National Agriculture Advisory Services, 11,740,388,672. Vote 153, Public Procurement and Disposing Authority, 26,331,679. Vote 150. Vote 153, Public Procurement and Disposing Authority, 26,311,679. Vote 156, Uganda Land Commission, 6,159,820,728. Vote 160, Uganda Coffee Development Authority, 73 billion. Vote 161, Mulago National Referral Hospital, 1,372,516,25. Vote 162, Butabika Hospital, 2,001,639. Vote 163, Arua Regional Referral Hospital, 24,492,343. Vote 164, Fort Portal Regional Referral Hospital, 99,736,251. Vote 165, Gulu Regional Referral Hospital, 27,289,471. Vote 166, Hoima Regional Referral Hospital, 43,030,072. Vote 167, Jinja National Referral Hospital, 16,063,641. Vote 168, Kavale Regional Referral Hospital, 44,375,044. Vote 170, Mbale Regional Referral Hospital, 4,883,128. Vote 171, Soroti Regional Referral Hospital, 73,538,280. Vote 172, Lira National Referral Hospital, 61,600,883. Vote 173, Mbarara Regional Referral Hospital, 165,217,049. Vote 175, Moroto Regional Referral Hospital, 736,405. 176, China Uganda Hospital Naguru, 280,438,285. Vote 301, Lira University, 969,536. Vote 302, Uganda National Meteorological Authority, 6,023,787. Vote 303, National Curriculum Development Center, 6,365,400. Vote 308, Soroti University, 21,715,212. Vote 309, National Identification and Registration Authority, 10,918,076. Vote 310, Uganda Investment Authority, 4,453,606.
Honourable members, I propose the question. Total sum of Uganda shillings 920 billion 957 million 502,199 for the respective votes be provided for supplementary current expenditure financial 2019-2020 of Uganda shillings 920 billion 957 million 512,199 under the respective votes we provided for a supplementary recurrent expenditure for the financial 2019-2020. Those in favor say aye, the contrary no. Yes,
motion for the House to resume.
Madam Speaker, I beg to move that the House do resume and the Committee of Supply reports thereto.
Now, members, the question is that the House do resume and the Committee of Supply do report thereto. Those in favor say aye, the contrary no. Yes, have it.
Report of the Committee of Supply.
No, Minister.
Madam Speaker, I beg to report that the Committee of Supply has approved supplementary expenditure schedule number 3 and addendum schedule number 3 for financial 2019-2020 with some amendments.
Motion for adoption of the report from
Minister.
the Committee of Supply.
Madam Speaker, I beg to move that the report of the Committee of Supply be adopted.
Now, members, the question is that the report of the Committee of Supply of the whole House be adopted. Those in favor say aye. The contrary no. Ayes have it. Honourable members, I want to thank you. I believe that is all for today. House adjourned to Tuesday. Pentagon? We have adjourned the House. We have adjourned. Adjourned. We have adjourned.